Hey, what's up people? My name is Jay and आप देख रहे हैं techno-j. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mind map on your Android device using MindMeister Mobile application. So first, go to Play Store and type MindMeister there. So install this application, which I have already installed, so it's showing open. So once you install, click on that open button. So once you open that, it will ask you for sign up or login or test without login. You can create a mind map by clicking test without login, but there you will get very less options. So just sign up here. Sign up with Google. And select your email ID. Click continue. So once you sign up, it will ask you to try 7 days free premium trial of it, and to try that it will ask you to add your payment details here. If you click on continue, it will ask you to add your payment details here, but we don't want that, we just want free version of it. So click on much more. So once you click on that, it will take you to the MindMeister website, and here you can see there are options like basic, personal and premium. So we just want free version here, so click on basic. And here you have to sign up once again with the same Google account which you have signed up earlier. Once you sign up, you can have an interface like this. So let's close this here. Now go to mind map application which we have installed earlier. So once you click on that, you will get interface like this. So if you click on this plus icon here folder and map you can create, and if you click on my maps, it will show you the maps which we have created earlier. And in recent you can search by typing the map names here, and you can add some notes to your mind map here directly. So just click on my new mind map and click on that icon to edit that topic name. Edit. So give a topic name here. So I'll just give my topic name. I am a certified fitness coach, so I just want to create a mind map for my other fitness channel. So I'll select my topic as basic human body types. So you can drag and drop here wherever you want. You can zoom in and zoom out. That orange plus icon to add subtopic in that. So subtopic like there are 3 types of basic human body types, so that is a subtitle. There are 3 basic human body types. Okay. Done. Now let me add all that. Click this icon to hide that, and you can place it wherever you want. Okay, I'll place it here, and here you can edit the style of your text. You can make it bold, or you can increase the size of the text. So I'll select ectomorph here, and then see, I can make it big. So let's keep it normal, and let's make this subtitle bold and increase the font of it. And you can select the color of the text here. Let's remain to black only. And it is the shapes which you can see. Let's remain to this one only. And this is the background color, so you can choose whatever background color you want. So let's select this one, and you can also add emojis here. Selected the background color. Now you can see the map themes here, so you can change the themes here. Click on keep here. See, the theme has completely changed. You can select whatever theme you want. Let's try this. Let's keep this only. Okay, and here you can get alignment option. Now it is free. You can align left, right, or wherever you want. Let's try it for right align, aligned right side now. Now it aligned left side. Let's keep it as right only. And you can take your map center here by clicking that center map option. You can bring your map to center. And here you can add some photos or some files. And these all are premium option, personal and premium options, so you won't get it for free. And if you create mind map on PC with MindMeister, you will get some more options for free of cost, like presentation options or like adding link or photo options. So I'll be showing you in the next video the PC version of it. So you can see the options here. You can invite friend and you can export it, but to export it you will have options. If you want to export it as PDF format, you have to go for personal paid version. So you can only export it RTF and MindMeister format. For MS PowerPoint, MS Word, you have to go to Pro version of it. So that's it guys, I hope you like this, and in next video I'll be showing you PC version of MindMeister, and there you can have more options. And I suggest you to create mind map on PC itself, because you will get more option and that will be more clear. But if you are in hurry